Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. To continue to edit the information on the Google form, click the question that you want to edit. I'm going to select this picture and I'm going to add a title. This image has no title. I will add information to provide instructions on how to reference the image to complete the question below. Note: reference this image to complete the next question. This will help the end user better understand how to complete the form. To add collaborators to this form, select the ellipsis icon in the form and then select Add Collaborators. To add a collaborator is to invite others to help you develop and create the form. In this example, I'm going to collaborate with another user. I will provide edit access and I will notify the user to collaborate in this form. Add a message and then send. My collaborator will receive an email notification and also provide access to the form that we are developing together.